Assalamu alaikum. This is Suman Khan, your English language instructor, and today I'm back again with another amazing video. And in this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to make complex or better sentences or longer sentences if you don't want to sound choppy or if you don't want to speak those shorter sentences. Add this link to your language and you will start speaking longer or better sentences. So first thing is I want you to add three vocabulary words that are though, although, even though. These are the contrasting conjunctions that you can use and you can use these words instead of but. You can remove but from the sentences and add though, although, and even though. For suppose, let me tell you what is the meaning. Though, although, and even though means but, or in Urdu we can say हालांकि या लेकिन. Okay, हालांकि या लेकिन. So if you're not using but, you can use though, although, or even though. Now what is the difference between though, although, and even though? Though and although are alike. There is no difference. Yes, there is a slight difference. Although is formal and though is informal or semi-formal. So, and at the same time, even though is exaggerated form of although or though. When you want to say something by exaggerating the words, or if there is an exaggerated situation, you want to say, like you want to create an emotional impact, like this happened, damn it, this happened, okay, then you can use even though. For suppose if I say, though my shirt is small, I like it. Although I have many friends, Alina is my best friend. Although I like blue color, I'm wearing black. Next, you can use either or neither nor. When you want to make two negative choices or two positive choices, you can use neither nor for two negative choices and either or for two positive choices. When you're saying this or that, or neither means neither this nor that, either this or that, neither this nor that. Okay. For suppose if I'm saying either I will go to the party or stay at home. Either I will enjoy the rain or watch TV. Either I will like to have a cup of tea or coffee. Next, when you're talking about neither nor, you can say I will neither go to the park nor stay at home. That means I will do something else. I will neither wash the dishes nor clean the floor. I will neither take care of the dog nor I will give it to you. Okay. I hope you liked the video, and if you want a brief discussion on these topics like neither nor, either or though, although, and even though, you can watch videos that are already there in the playlist and get detailed explanation. So this is it for now. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.